idiom down in the dumps. I don't know whether you have ever heard this.
Yes, no.
I'm going to write this. Hi, Megha. How are you?
Hello.
How are you doing?
Yes. I'm doing great, trying to cope up with different things of life.
Different things of life.
Yes.
So, trying and running around, is it?
Yes, trying and running around.
Okay. I never asked you. We met. Now we have become familiar. When is your birthday?
Oh, okay. So I guess I will get a pretty good gift from your side, because you don't need to wait for a long period of time. The next month, I will have my birthday.
I mean, October?
October. 13th October.
Oh, wow. So,
Yeah.
Megha is a Libran by zodiac sign. Okay.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
So there are different zodiac signs for different month in English.
Okay.
So you are a Libra by zodiac sign. So my mom is also a Libran.
Okay.
That's the reason I. I understand.
And what does it say?
Lot of things. I mean, very, very sensitive people. Very stubborn people from within. And very fiercely ambitious. And for them, academic, study, all those kind of things, they assume a lot of importance. In general, they prefer intellectual conversations. They prefer intellectual minds. And very kind-hearted, basically. And one of the downsides of them is that they can't say no to people. I mean, generally. As a result of which they get into a lot of trouble in their life also. I mean, they want to be good to everyone because of their nature.
Because they just want to look good every time, because if they don't look good, then immediately they start feel upset about themselves. Okay, I have done something wrong.
Would you like to correct this sentence, Megha?
What? They
start feel upset, or they start feeling upset?
They start feeling upset. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You need to thank yourself, Madam Ji.
Oh, please, you are taunting me by saying Madam Ji. I don't know why this happened the very first time that some of the tutors, I mean, one of the tutors on Clapingo keep saying me Madam. It's so awkward, and sometimes
because Megha is more of a madam, no?
No. I just want to know.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, Megha. Because I want to see that expression every time I say madam, and then that. Oh no! I saw the video that you have recently put in.
Okay.
And it was nice to look at it, and then I saw I was just going through the comments. There's welcome back. People are saying, so nice to see you, Megha, after a long time. So it is like for you, just coming back, is it?
Yes. To some extent, yes, it is true, because I have said to you that I took a long break, and I guess people have been missing me. So that's why I got beautiful comments from.
And I discovered that you have posted so many videos on Clapingo at that one point of time.
Exactly.
I think a year ago. I mean.
Yes, a year ago. Yes.
You were very active at that point of time.
Yes.
I'm sure you're still active. But
yes, as I have said, that I'm trying to cope up with different things of my life. So yes.
If they are not too very personal, can I ask you, like, I mean, what are you doing? Are you getting into some sort of studies or academics that you have been pursuing, or any other skill that you have been doing? What is that you are doing, Megha? I mean,
okay, yes. First of all, I would like to clear kind of confusion I have. Academic. When we say academic, what does it mean? I mean, having certifications from the, hello, are you getting me?
I am listening to you all ears actually.
You were like, you were like a statue. So I was like, okay.
Yeah. So I can become a statue also sometimes, because when so because I'm so attentive actually. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, go on, Megha.
So,
Please
yes.
tell.
So I just want to know that when we say academic, so does it mean to have a certification from the institution? I mean, where they acknowledge or they valid you that you have certification. Is it so? Or when I am learning things from the sources which don't provide me, I'm learning things, and I so basically this is something I want to ask. What does it mean, academic? Yes.
The word exactly academic, by the literal dictionary meaning, it relates to school, university, colleges.
Yes, that is something I want to ask.
Yes, and this is number one. Number two is it is also used in different contexts. Like if I'm saying that if I'm using this word, how would I say this? For Megha, the Megha has got some great academic credentials. So in this particular context, what I mean is that somebody who's very clever in studying and thinking.
Okay.
So sometimes there is a very twist between, how the word is being used. I think that's with most of the English words.
Exactly. That's why people are suffering while learning English.
I really loved your question because, it is so important, because there are many words, like I'm sure you know this, that there are certain words, like if I had to give an example, present and present. So just mark my words. Once I'm saying present, and then I'm saying present. The stress is on the next one.
Present.
So the first one when I'm saying it is more of PRE, the stress is on that present. And then I'm saying present. Now I'll tell you what. The first one, when the stress is on PRE, it is used as a noun. That means, have you bought a present for me, Anindya?
Yes.
Right?
Like gift.
Gift, yeah.
Yes.
Moment I'm saying, are you going to present today, Megha, in the meeting, afternoon meeting? So here I'm using this as a verb now.
Okay. So
there are many words which are used as noun, verbs. So the best thing would be, Megha, always when you look for a word, I mean, this is related to vocabulary. हम ना हमारी आंखें रुक जाती है first two words पे. So always scroll down, look for and explore for the other context, situations and meanings also.
Yes.
So I have been using Cambridge Dictionary for donkey's years, for ages now.
Okay.
So that is my go-to dictionary. So always there in on my mobile, as favorites on my web browser. Yeah, and that's how I taught my son, Megha, when I used to teach him right from his childhood. Right, I used to tell him, key in every word, look for the meaning, wear the headphones, look for the sound, look for the right pronunciation. Switch between the British and an American so that you exactly know how it sounds. And then every reputed online dictionary will give you 100 different contexts in which the word can be used as example sentences.
Yes. Even I have downloaded one application and I have been using for since long, even for this particular thing, to perform this activity. And sometimes, it's so confusing to understand, even though context is there, but it's so confusing. Sometimes, like I'm giving you a few examples, like down. There are lots of uses of this word down, walk down, down to memory, like this kind of phrases.
Oh yes. Because there is a combination, right? Sometimes it is used as For example, if I say in an idiom, down in the dumps, I don't know whether you have ever heard this.
Yes. No.
I'm going to write this for you, okay?
Okay.
I hope. Spare my speed of typing. Yeah. So it down in the dumps.
Yes, down in the dumps.
Which means you are a little upset or you are sad.
Down in the dumps.
You are not in the best of your spirits. That's what I want to mean.
So can I use in this way? I'm down in the dumps.
No, you can't.
I am. No, not for this situation. If I say I am down.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. The best way to say that, yeah, I'm a bit down in the dumps today.
Okay, all right. Okay, let me see.
One
more time. Down in the dumps. Okay.
Down in the dumps. So, and under the weather and all those kind of things.
Yes, under the weather. I am aware about such phrases. So there are few phrases I'm aware about, but when I go through that application, so whenever I look for a word and the meaning and the context, and if I go deeper, so it takes hours to learn one particular word and their different meanings and so the phrases associated with that particular word. So sometimes I feel like, oh my God, this English, it will never ending process learning this language.
Yeah.
So I feel so.
I completely understand. Like, for example, deep is an adjective. So the best way in this context, it could have, when I delve deeper into it, you can say that.
I can?
When I delve, D-E-L-V-E, deepen will not be the correct usage here.
Yes, I got you.
You got it now? So you can use that when I delve deeper into it, then I am blah, 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 whatever.
What is the meaning of delve?
Andar jana, delve, khodna, dig.
Okay. Dig. The second form of dig is delve. Is it?
No, nothing of that sort. I'm saying, I mean, when you are searching, especially that by digging, I'm going and exploring more.
Okay. So I delve.
So I suppose I told you something today about a particular word, delve. Moment after the session, you Google it and you read articles. Now you are delving deeper into it. That means you're more exploring more about it. You're searching for it by digging. When do we dig? To find what is inside.
Okay, I got you. I mean, I am delving deeper in order to learn.
You can say that in general, if you have to say, you can use like this. I usually delve deeper into something. Deeper. I usually delve deeper into something when I need to know something more about it.
Okay. But there is a word deepen. Can you tell me in which context I should use this word? Because I have read this word somewhere, deepen.
You're very correct. The word actually deepen is a verb again. Strengthen.
Okay.
Right? More use, it can be used in context of relationships.
All right.
Yeah. So I can say that, Megha, sometimes it is important to deepen our relationships.
Important to deepen our relationship.
Deepen our.
Deepen.
I mean,
deepen.
Yeah, it is like cementing more. Think of the cement in raw case. What does it does? It makes things concrete.
Okay.
Yeah. So when we are deepening relationships, Megha, that means
making it strong.
Making it stronger. Yeah, absolutely.
Stronger. Okay, all right.
I mean, to make something deeper means, like, imagine there is a friendship and it grows beyond and it becomes deeper. So then we can see that our friendship has deepened over the time, over the years. Our relationship has deepened over the years.
Okay, all right. Okay.
You get it now?
Yes, I got you. Now I'm clear.
So this can be again used, for example, you are using in the context of sea. samundar.
Yes.
You can say like that the sea bed deepens here to 5,000 meters below, 25,000 meters below.
Could you repeat the sentence? I didn't get
I
it.
said the seabed deepens
Okay.
5,000 meters below.
All right.
Here the meaning of deepen is gehrai, literally.
Gehrai. Yes. Okay.
So that's what I said.
Confused.
In relationship, we also measure how deep the relationship is by कि रिश्ते में कितनी गहराई है.
कितनी गहराई है? Yes. I mean, sometimes there are few words, so they have literal meaning and they have philosophical meaning.
Absolutely.
And we use in this way. So yes, that's how I get confused.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.